Rocket number 1, rocket number 2. I've always wondered why rockets need fins, so I decided to test to see if they really need them. I think that rockets need fins because airplane fins are used for stability, so I think they'll work better with them. My materials are 1 pool noodle, styrofoam cup, styrofoam plate, a pump for your rocket, a tape measure, and an open area to fly your kite. My procedures. Set up all your materials for your rocket. Use a hot glue gun to glue the cup onto the pool noodle. They should be the exact same height. Cut out the fins for your rocket. They should be the exact same height. And measure the rocket, and then put the marks where you want to hot glue the fins on so they're the exact same distance apart, and go to an open area. Measure how high and how far the rocket goes with and without the fins. When I did my test, I found out that rocket number 1 did not do very well when it got to the height of 304 centimeters, and rocket number 2 got 357 centimeters. Rocket number 1 was still no match for rocket number 2 because it only got 315 centimeters, and rocket number 2 got 339 centimeters. And finally, my conclusion. Rocket number 1 went up and then just came back down on both height and distance. And rocket number 2 went shooting up and probably could have gone higher than the roof if the roof wasn't there. And rocket number 2 just kept going on distance too. Why it happened? Rocket number 1 just tilted down as soon as it got in the air, and it was not stable, so it did not create very much lift. Rocket number 2 did not tilt at all, so it went really high. Principle. The thrust of the rocket with fins was much more powerful than the thrust on rocket 1. Rocket 1 had a lot of gravity motion, which means go down, and rocket number 2 had a lot more lift. Changes for next time. I would be more careful with my measurement, so these ones would be the same distance apart.